Okay, let's look at questions 6, 7, and 8 together. Which columns are in the P block? So the P block is this rectangle to the right of the periodic table, excluding helium. Helium's in the S block because of that exception we talked about before, but this is the P block, and you'll notice that it's basically columns 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe I'll just say 3 to 8 to keep it simple. Now the S block is this rectangle on the left of the periodic table. You'll notice that it's columns 1 and 2. I'll just put 1-2 to be consistent. And now a little bit of a trick question on number 8. This isn't the most important thing in the world, but we're asked if transition metals and the D block are the same thing. In short, no. A better answer might be not quite. So first of all, the D block is this low-lying block in the periodic table. So all these elements that we previously called transition metals, they're also in the D block. However, the D block has a little diagonal extending down into the bottoms of columns 3, 4, and 5. So elements like tin and lead, and maybe you're familiar with bismuth, but I think everybody can think of tin and lead, right? Tin and lead are metals. They're part of the transition metals. So again, the transition metals includes the D block, but it's a little bigger. It has this triangle-shaped wedge with a few elements at the bottoms of columns 3, 4, and 5. So again, not the world's most important question. A lot of people consider D block and transition metals to be the same thing. I wouldn't really call you wrong if you said that, but technically, for what it's worth, they are slightly different. The D block is within the transition metals. There's a few more transition metals that extend into the S block.